Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with BambooHR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.bamboohr.com/login and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for BambooHR and you will directly be taken into the login portal. Now you will be asked to enter your company domain. So go ahead and type in your company domain within the given box and then click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will be asked to enter your user ID or your password. You can click on what's my domain if you have forgotten your domain as well. And after entering your email address and your password, you can click on the login button from the next screen and you will be logged into your BambooHR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will also find the option to reset your credentials within the login page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account on BambooHR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.